Everyone, welcome back to useNfix. We'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your game changer stat. If you're having trouble with fixing your game changer stat, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. So then first of all, go ahead and open your app, and then once you get onto the app, on the bottom you'll see a lot of options like account, messages, events, and home. Now you have to go ahead and head up to home and then click on the team you are on. Now on the top, not the very top, kind of at the top, you'll see the option of schedule, team, video, stat. Now go ahead and click on the option of stats and you'll be able to fix your stat. I hope this video helped you fix your stats in game changer. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.